stop coughing in 3 minutes. Natural remedy for coughs, colds and bronchitis. Lime, cinnamon, ginger. Peel and grate the ginger until fine. Ginger has active components that can help reduce the symptoms of colds, coughs and sore throats. Cinnamon contains a chemical compound called cinnamaldehyde, which has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. This makes cinnamon very effective for treating coughs. Lime also contains high levels of vitamin C and antioxidants. This content can reduce inflammation and relieve sore throat. Put all the ingredients into the pot. Add water 300 milliliters. Turn on the stove and cook over medium heat. This decoction is very effective against coughs. Drink 1 glass per day.